Students, this is Nilima Agrawal, your English mentor. Children, today we are going to discuss a new lesson called The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. Here it is a prose from class ninth. The story basically revolves around little girl named Kezia. She thought that her father doesn't love her because he always remain scolding at her and doesn't play with her. That's why she thought that her father doesn't love her. The theme of the story is basically a beautiful relationship between children and their parents. Sometimes children unable to understand the love of the parents and they thought that their parents doesn't did don't love them because they scold at them for their betterment. So this is the story revolves around Kezia and her father. Kezia was a little girl. She feared her father. As I have discussed earlier that she was a little girl and she got feared of her father a lot. She scared of her father and she thought that her father is a giant, a very big man who has a very big hands and big neck and big mouth also. And she always tried to avoid him because of this reason only, because of his huge personality, because of his big personality. She always tried to avoid him. She thought that he's a very cruel man who doesn't know how to love their child. Kezia's father worked in an office. So this is the working of Kezia's father, that he worked in an office and where he used to go with the help of a carriage. Whenever she heard a voice of the carriage, she became very happy that her father has left for the office and the whole house is terror free. But an interesting fact that before leaving for the house, he used to give a casual kiss to his daughter Kezia. He went to his room, he went to Kezia's room and gave her a casual kiss. So this was her father's love that was not understood by Kezia. And Kezia thought that her father doesn't love her. In the evening, the little fathers came back, and at the evening time, her father came back and he usually spoke in a very loud voice. And because of this loud voice, she got really scared of her father's loud voice. Her mother asked her to remove the shoes or to take the shoes and put it at the right place. So, in a feared manner, she went to near him and took his shoes and kept at right place. When she entered in the room for taking the shoes, her father started looking at her in stern manner, like as if he was about to scold at her. Kezia always thought that her father is a very hard-hearted person. He was not at all kind-hearted person. He knows how to scold at children, but he doesn't know how to love children. One day, Kezia made a pin cushion. She wanted to present it to her father on his birthday. And for making a cushion, she needed some stuff material. So what she did, she took some sheets from her father's room and she torn into small bits of paper and stuff into her cushion and gifted on his birthday. But she was scolded for this activity because whatever papers she took from his father's room, that was important papers of him, and there were some speech was written over that paper, and that speech her father was about to deliver in his meeting. So he scolded at her in a very bad manner. Even he has bitten her also. And because of all these things, Kezia wept very bitterly. And she wondered why God made father. So she trembled even at her sight of her father. After this incident, even when she looked at her father, she started shivering because of fear. Her spine got chilled because of fear, because she was beaten by her father. One day, Kezia saw her neighbor, Mr. MacDonald. He was playing with his children. One day, like children used to do whenever they looked at others' parents, they thought that others' parents they love their children a lot, but their parents do not love them. The same incident was happened with Kezia also. The children, Mr. MacDonald and children, they were very happy. They were playing together. But Kezia's father never played with her. Now she thought that there were different kind of fathers in the world. Her own father was very cruel. She thought that fathers are not always very bad. There are different kind of fathers are also available in this world, but his her father is very much cruel. After a few days, Kezia's mother became ill. Her grandmother took her to the hospital. Kezia was alone in the house. She saw a very bad dream. Whenever she was alone in the house, she saw a very bad dream at night. She saw that a butcher was coming to her with a knife and he was about to kill her. She started trembling. She saw a very horrible dream and she started trembling in the fear. She was terrified. She gave a loud cry. Her father came to her room and she lifted her in his lap and took her to his own bed. She lay beside her father. At that time, Alice, her servant, her cook, lay Kezia on her bed, and on that night only she started fearing. In that way, she started sleeping and she understood that her father is also a good man. Because of lack of time only, he was unable to play with his children. And she was tired and fell asleep before her. That means whenever her father took her from her bed to his own room, because these two were alone in the house, because her grand was taking care of Kezia's mother in the hospital. So these two, Kezia and her father, they both were alone in the house. So she thought that her father is also a loving father, because so lovingly he took Kezia in his lap and slept on his own bed. And he fell asleep before her only because he got too much tired of his daily routine, and she lost in thought and slept. She thought that he had to work hard every day. Her father need to work hard every day, so whenever he came in the evening, he did not get enough energy to play with his children because of his tiredness. She thought that it was her fault to tear those important papers. She understood that she should not tear those papers for making a pin cushion to gift on his birthday, and she should ask first about those paper and then only she took those paper, because she doesn't know that which paper is important and which papers are unimportant. So before touching the material of the parents, the children should take permission from their parents or from their elders before touching anything which belongs to the elders. This is again come under the code of conduct or a manners of a children. She realized that her father was not bad. He had a big and loving heart. So she finally understood that her father is not at all a very bad man, but he has also a very big heart and very kind-hearted person. So children, these are the question answers. First of all, you should discuss with yourself only, try to find out the answers, then only you can begin write in your notebook. So this is all about the story of little girl